Good day, everyone. I'm Jeffrey Kabagi, and together with my group mates, and we'll be discussing understanding GMOs in the Philippines. In this presentation, you'll learn what GMOs are, how they're made, and why they're important to our country's agriculture and food security. So stay tuned as we uncover how GMOs could shape the future of farming in our everyday lives.
GMO or genetically modified organism is a living organism like plant, animal, or microbe whose DNA has been altered using biotechnology. This means scientists make small, precise changes to the organism's genetic material to give it a new or improved traits. For example, genes can be inserted or modified to help the organisms resist pests, grow in harsh environments, or even improve its nutritional content. Instead of waiting for natural breeding to occur over many generations, biotechnology allows these beneficial traits to be developed much faster and more accurately. To put it simply, GMOs are created to make crops stronger, safer, and more productive.
Now let's talk about some examples of genetically modified organisms that are already used here in the Philippines. The first one is BT corn. This type of corn contains a gene from a natural soy bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis. Because of this, the corn can protect itself from harmful pests like corn borer. Farmers have been planting this BT corn since 2003, and it helps reduce pesticide use to increase their harvest. The second example is golden rice. This rice developed by produce beta carotene. Our body converts into vitamin A. It aims Filipino children and families who suffer from a vitamin A deficiency. Lastly, we have a BT eggplant, like BT corn. This eggplant built-in protection the fruit and shoot borer, one of the most damaging pests to the eggplant crops. It helps farmers to save time, money, and protect their health by using fewer chemical sprays. These three GMOs show how biotechnology can support Filipino farmers and improve human nutrition and safety.
So today, I'll be talking about how GMO or genetically modified organisms benefit the Philippines. First, GMO help farmers produce more crops using less land, which means more food for everyone. They also help reduce pesticide. Since some GMO crops like BT corn can naturally fight pests, this makes farming safer for both people and the environment. And another benefit is improved nutrition, like golden rice, for example. It contains vitamin A that helps fight vitamin A deficiency, a common health problem in the country. So GMO also support economic growth because farmers earn more income from higher yields and lower production costs. And finally, they bring environmental benefits as fewer chemical means cleaner soil and water. In short, GMO helps our farmers protect our environment and improve the lives of Filipinos.
Now, for the impacts of GMOs in the Philippine society. There are two, the positive and the negative. First is the positive. Number one, it increases income and productivity. Two, helps reduce hunger and malnutrition. Three, strengthens food security. For the negative impact, there are also three. One is environmental concerns such as potential biodiversity effects. Two is dependence on commercial seed companies. And three is for public mistrust due to misinformation and lack of awareness.
To sum it all up, GMOs can actually be really helpful in addressing food shortages and malnutrition here in the Philippines. They can make crops grow better and even add more nutrients to the food we eat. But at the same time, we have to remember that using GMOs comes with responsibility. There should be proper rules, transparency, and education so that both farmers and consumers understand how they work and how to use them safely. Most importantly, let's try to stay open minded and informed. Science and innovation can bring a lot of positive change, but only if we approach them with awareness and understanding.